Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the LUX Pro P711 programmable thermostat, and we're going to be going over the factory reset and the keypad lockout of the device. I also have other videos covering manual override, 7-day programming, as well as the setup menu. Alright, so what you want to do to lock out this device is pretty simple. You want to bring the device into an active state, so I'm just going to hit the setting button 3 times. Okay, it's going to bring it back to the backlit screen. Then go ahead now and hit next 3 times and hold once. Now that's going to bring up a little lock icon on the screen. Now this device is locked. No one can come here and change the settings. Even if you were to go to switch this off and on, it's still going to come up with the lock screen. So in order to get out of it, it's the same thing. You're going to want to do next 3 times and then hold once. So 1, 2, 3. And this is what I was talking about. You have to bring it into an active state. So let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it worked that time. So if you have this thing kind of idle and it's sitting and no one has touched it for a while, you will have to hit a button to bring it into an active state. Then you can go ahead and punch in your next 3 times and then hold once. This is just a weird kind of quirk of this device. It's something I noticed, and it's not just a matter of clicking the next button 3 times and hold once if it's been idle for a while. So that's the tip I have for you when it comes to keypad lockout. And the factory reset is something that actually is not possible on this device. It does not have a factory reset button or any kind of setting in the menu, like the setup menu. It does not have any factory reset option. Even if you were to unplug the batteries, it does not reset the time or anything. So that means in order to factory reset this device, you have to literally go through all the options manually and change them manually to what they're supposed to be. They will not be reset to some factory default. And that applies for your schedule as well. So your program schedule, whatever it is, it's going to be stuck on the old values in the old times. So you're going to have to go in there and just manually do it. But that covers the factory reset and the keypad lockout. And please check out my other videos on manual override, 7-day programming, and the settings menu on this device. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.